Hey everyone! In this quick 4-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to import the chart of accounts from one Xero organization into another, including your Xero demo company. Even if you're a complete beginner, don't worry. Follow the steps and you'll learn it in minutes. First, we need the chart of accounts file from the organization you want to copy. 1. Open the other Xero organization, Organization A. 2. Go to Accounting, then Advanced. Click Chart of Accounts. On the top right, click Export. A CSV file will download. This file contains all account codes, names, and types. This CSV file is what we'll upload into your demo company. Now, switch to your demo company. You can find it under your organization list. It's usually named Demo Company Global. 1. Inside your demo company, go to Accounting, then Advanced. Click Chart of Accounts again. On the top right, click Import. Xero allows you to import accounts using a CSV file, but the file must follow Xero's format. Before uploading, you must check the CSV file. Sometimes the exported file has data your demo company won't accept. What to check? The file must contain only code, name, type, tax type, description, optional. Make sure account codes are unique. Remove extra columns like system flags, tracking, status. Save it as a CSV again. If you don't want to edit manually, here's a tip. You can download Xero's template. In the Import screen, click Download Template. Copy-paste your accounts into this template. 1. Click Browse and upload your CSV. 2. Press Import. 3. Review the preview. 4. If everything looks correct, click Complete Import. Your chart of accounts is now imported into your demo company. And that's it. You just imported a full chart of accounts from another organization into your Xero demo company. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next.